Hello friends, today's word is McCune-Albright syndrome. McCune-Albright syndrome. It is the association of polyostotic fibrous dysplasia, precocious puberty, café au lait pigmentation, and other endocrinopathies such as pituitary adenoma, or hyperthyroidism due to hyperactivity of various endocrine glands. The café au lait pigmentation consists of well-defined, generally unilateral tan macules on the trunk and thighs. The margins of the café au lait spots are typically very irregular, resembling a map of the coastline of Maine. Precocious puberty is the most common endocrine manifestation seen specially in females, characterized by menstrual bleeding, development of breast and pubic hair within the first few years of life. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep learning.